Praise be to you, Yahuwah my Elohim. Praise be to your Son, Yahushua my Messiah. I come at your feet in the name of your Son. Thank you for the knowledge you pour unto me, and thank you for breaking all the shackle that was bound on my face. Yahuwah, you are the only true living God. Thank you for your Yahusha, whom you truly love. You are Elohim, the Elohim of the Yahudim.
Shalom family. I'm Pierre Ligi, and this is The Remnant Awakens. Today's episode tackles a dangerous lie, one meant to erase the identity of the true Yashar'el. The lie says the original Hebrews turned white over time because of migration and climate. But that's false, scientifically, historically, and scripturally. Let's expose it. Skin color is determined by genetics, not just weather. Melanin levels are passed through DNA. Living in colder places does not turn black or brown skin into white skin. Africans lived in Europe for centuries and stayed dark-skinned. Climate does not override ancestral genetic markers. This lie is just a cover-up for stolen identity. Lamentations, chapter 5, verse 10 says, "Our skin was black like an oven." Job chapter 30, verse 30 says, "My skin is black upon me." Acts chapter 21, verse 38 says, Shaul, Paul, was mistaken for an Egyptian. Egyptians were brown and black. And Daniel chapter 7, verse 9 says, "The Ancient of Days had hair like wool, not silk." The original Hebrews were clearly brown and dark-skinned. The scripture never describes them as pale or European. Modern so-called white Jews are descended from the Khazars, a Turkic people who converted to Judaism in the 700s AD. The Khazars were Japhetites, not Shemites. Genesis chapter 10, verse 2 to 3. They were never part of the 12 tribes. Revelation chapter 2, verse 9 says, "I know the blasphemy of them which say they are Yahudim, and are not, but are the synagogue of Satan." Devarim, Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 68 says, "The true Hebrews or Jews in modern identification would be sent into slavery by ships." That happened to African Americans, Haitians, Jamaicans, Afro-Brazilians, Afro-Portuguese, Bantu tribes, Akan people, and more. We never ever turned white, but our names were erased, our records destroyed, our identity stolen and whitewashed. But prophecy said we would wake up. Rome and Europe couldn't allow the world to know that we are the people of the book. So they replaced Yahusha with a white Greek image, changed his name from Yahusha to Jesus, a pagan Greek name, originally Jesus, connected to Zeus. They also erased Yahuwah and gave us the Lord, and then said we lost our color. But no, we didn't lose our color. They stole our identity. Yashar'el is rising, and no lie can bury the truth forever. Whether you were scattered through slavery or awakened by the Ruach, you are part of the remnant. Your skin color didn't change. Your covenant was covered, but now it's being uncovered. And that's it for today, family. I am Pierre Ligi, your brother from the tribe of Yehuda, and this is The Remnant Awakens. If this message stirred your spirit, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, so it reaches more people. Subscribe if you're awakening to truth. Comment what opened your eyes. And if you know someone still asleep, share this episode with them. Until next time, shalom. See you all on the next episode.
Praise be to you, Yahuwah my Elohim. Praise be to your Son, Yahushua my Messiah. I come at your feet in the name of your Son. Thank you for the knowledge you pour onto me, and thank you for breaking all the shackle that was bound on my face. Yahuwah, you are the only true living God. Thank you for your Yahusha, whom you truly love. You are Elohim, the Elohim of the Yahudi.